Switching from Lycamobile to Ultramobile and want to keep your number? It's called porting. Here's what you need to know to make it happen smoothly. First, direct porting can be tricky because Lycamobile uses T-Mobile's network, while Ultramobile uses Verizon's. You might need an intermediate step. Now, three things are essential. Your Lycamobile account number, usually a 10 to 12-digit number on your bill, a PIN or porting authorization code that you get from Lycamobile, and your personal info like billing address and phone's IMEI. To start, contact Lycamobile and get that PIN. Then give the PIN and account number to Ultramobile when you sign up with them. Ultramobile will submit the port request. Once Lycamobile approves, your number transfers and your Lycamobile SIM stops working. Quick note, this usually takes 1 to 24 hours, but can take up to 10 days. Keep an eye on the status through Ultramobile's app. Running into issues? Porting between different networks like T-Mobile to Verizon can be problematic. If it fails directly, you might have to temporarily port to a main carrier like T-Mobile or Verizon first, then to Ultramobile. As of 2025, things are improving. Ultramobile has a port checker on their website to see if your number can be ported directly. Lycamobile's app has also been updated to allow instant PIN retrieval. Keep in mind that porting can take longer during busy periods, like back-to-school season. If you hit a snag, contact customer support. Looking ahead, the FCC is working on making porting even easier. By 2030, expect near-instant transfers. For now, double-check your info and be prepared for a possible workaround if you're porting between different networks.